What's going on, guys? Looking at Casper / Tether USD this morning. We're on a daily chart trading view, the 7th of November. It's been a little bit since taking a look at Casper. Really not too much going on. Casper finding resistance up there at 0.415. Still holds valid to this point. On the positive side, it looks like this is a higher low. It's trying to be a higher low, I should say. We have the low of the move so far on the 3rd of November. And then today's pullback. Looks like so far it found some support. Could be the higher low. Could indicate that a move like this is coming to the Casper holders future. Doesn't mean it will, but it possibly could be. And we'll take a quick look over at Bitcoin as it finds support at one of our price levels. So I don't really have anything around the market currently. The next level I have is down here at 0.363. That would be the next area of potential support. And then what still holds valid is the resistance at 0.415 right up here. So still a waiting game for the Casper holders, although I'm sure they are quite used to that as it's been trading basically sideways for a pretty long time now. Was nice to see support show up on this candle right here. And that basically showed up right at the high of the right-hand side of the cup. And then also drags over to here, support showing up at the left-hand side of the cup. So not too surprised to see that buyers step in, support show up at that area. Does it hold is the question, and is today a higher low? Also another question. Taking a quick look over at Bitcoin. Let me see if I can find that chart I was just on. Let's see here. I think it was probably this chart, which it looks like it was. So Bitcoin currently broke out past one of our levels, which is at 20,678. Right here, this green line was an area of overhead resistance. So we broke out quite strong, and now we've pulled back. So what is good to see is the pullback so far is finding support, excuse me, at above our level. So what was once resistance, potentially turning into now support, which would indicate that a move to the next level to the upside, excuse me, could be underway, which is 21,694.48. If we go to a smaller time frame here, you could see how we broke through potential support. We broke through that green horizontal line, moved our way back up, below, chopped up, back above it. And what so far anyways, it's pretty early in the move here, is when we pulled back to it, that looks like second or third time, it actually stayed above it, potentially turning that into support and perhaps a move like this. This is the 3-minute time frame. Basically, if we can break above these highs over here and stay above those highs, also this high over here, that could indicate some upward price action to take place for Bitcoin, which, going back to Casper, should help Casper move higher, making that an official higher low on the chart that we just discussed. So if you want to keep your eye on this level, it is 20,678.89. That is for the Bitcoin level. And then if the price can move up 21,694.48 is the next level above the market. That is just like it was here. Resistance. Could be resistance once again, unless we get a very, very strong break above it. And then we could be heading up to higher levels like 25,726 or something along those lines. So keep your eyes on those. That's what I'm paying attention to anyways. And we will see if this is the higher low. If Bitcoin decides to dump quite strong, I would have to imagine that we could be undercutting the lows and heading down to something like 363 for Casper, putting in a new low of this move. So it's all up in the air right now. It's a game of patience. I may be wrong. I may be right. Just sharing some of my thoughts here, not financial advice. Let me know your guys' thoughts down in the comments, and any other projects that you want me to take a look at, leave those down in the comments as well. If you are not yet subscribed, go ahead and do so. A lot of people watching from the background, not yet subscribed to the channel. All right, guys, catch you in the next one.